Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. On this video, join me for a full week of cleaning. I filmed these over a span of a week as I like splitting cleaning over several days to make it more doable and not so overwhelming. But first, I grab my headphones to put on a podcast and make these chores more enjoyable.
Don't know what I'm feeling, don't know how to keep my thoughts straight. You got me second guessing, thinking that I made a mistake.
Since my husband and I both work full-time and we have a toddler, it's not easy to keep our house perfectly tidy and clean all the time. We have a limited amount of time to do this, and when things are hectic, it's honestly one of the first things that go. However, we found that splitting the cleaning over the week has been so helpful as we don't need to dedicate too much time every day to keep up with it.
Every passing day, don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have.
I cleaned both bathrooms on the same day, and I'm not kidding, but it used to take me almost an hour to do this. Now I'm much more efficient and I can do them both in half an hour.
But I just want you by my side. No, I can't deny you're the one I'm missing. You help me get by. Don't really know you, but I feel like I do. Don't need a reason why, I just vibe with you. But I admit that I feel scared. Don't know what to do with emotions I can't use. Oh no, it's nothing can compare. Yeah. Got me some type of way with every passing day. Don't let it go to waste. Don't know how much time we have, and it's so hard for me to say what's really on my mind. I hope someday you'll realize that I just want you by my side.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid, but we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now.
You know you have a child when this is what your living room looks like most of the time. She has half of her toys in her bedroom and the other half are in the living room, so that she has options both upstairs and downstairs. But if you're a parent, you know that they like bringing things with them everywhere, and so sometimes her stuff upstairs ends up here and vice versa. We found it useful to have drawers and boxes as storage to put her toys in both rooms, so that we can put them away when they're not in use, and that way the room can look somewhat decent and not like a tornado just passed by.
'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a long time for you to come.
By the way, if you're looking for a gift for a 2 or 3-year-old, I would highly recommend a kitchen. This is something we got for her second birthday and she absolutely loves it. She uses it pretty much every day and it's so good for imaginative play. You can also add different things like cutleries, different kinds of food, pots and pans, etc. We're looking for adding a coffee maker and more different kinds of food still to hers. I really love the wooden ones since they're very durable and so aesthetically pleasing, so I don't mind having them in the living room.
Know what it's like, felt this before. You don't feel right when your head feels sore, but it's so fine to feel this way. Don't waste your time on such a sunny day. And I know it's difficult to be happy when nothing goes your way. And I know it seems as if there's no escape. It's only for today.
One area that we need to clean every day is the kitchen, so you will see me cleaning this on another day too. We don't eat out often and I cook most of our food at home, so we always have dishes to clean. I do batch cook, so it helps just to need to clean a big batch of dishes in 1 or 2 goes so that we're not constantly cooking and therefore constantly having to do a lot of dishes. However, I do find it a little stressful when this area is a mess, so I really try to stay on top of at least this one. When the kitchen is clean, I feel so much better already. Since it's a high traffic area in our house, and this is where we make our food, I find it one of the most important, if not the most important areas to clean.
Even with scars, promise me you'll smile, that you'll come round once again.
We vacuum our house twice a week. We do it once during the weekdays and again during the weekend. We don't have any pets indoors as our bunny lives in a different room outside of the house, but if we would get a dog at some point, we will probably have to vacuum more often. We also mop the floors after vacuuming, and our downstairs vacuum is so handy because it's a vacuum and mop at the same time, which is great, although a little bulky. I'm so grateful to be able to work from home on some days because it does save us some time, especially since we have to commute an hour and a half one way to go to work, which totals to 3 hours a day. On the days when I'm in the office, I don't really get to do much cleaning because of lack of time, so we took that into consideration when planning our cleaning schedule. I don't know what it is, because we can so easily do our laundry, but the follow through is more difficult. I guess folding and putting our clothes away doesn't seem so urgent, so sometimes it takes a while that the pile of clean laundry stays in the basket before we get to it.
Out of my head, try to stray, try to forget, but the thoughts they seem to drown me instead. I've always wondered what it takes to fill this empty void inside, but now I've realized you were what I needed this whole time.
So that's it. I hope you enjoyed cleaning with me and that this inspired you to get cleaning, or that I kept you company while you were cleaning yourself. I love watching these kinds of videos while I'm cleaning, or if I'm facing some resistance to start cleaning. Have a great rest of the week, and I'll see you in the next one.